Are you wondering what the top 5 benefits of using CoConstruct for construction projects are? Well, you're in the right place, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why CoConstruct is a must-have for construction teams looking to streamline their projects and increase their efficiency. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive offer that lets you try the software for free, along with some bonuses you won't want to miss. First, CoConstruct is a centralized hub for all your project information. It helps you manage everything from client communications and budget tracking to scheduling and job site coordination. Instead of juggling multiple tools or drowning in paperwork, CoConstruct lets you manage everything from one place. This alone can save you hours and reduce mistakes that could cost you money. Next, CoConstruct offers seamless communication with your clients. One of the biggest challenges in construction is keeping clients informed and engaged. With CoConstruct, your clients can access project updates, approve budgets, and review schedules in real time. This transparency leads to better client relationships and fewer misunderstandings. No more endless emails or phone calls, everything is streamlined, and your clients appreciate the clarity. The third thing is budget management. We all know how tricky it can be to stay within budget on a construction project. CoConstruct simplifies this process with real-time cost tracking. You can update budgets, track expenses, and get instant alerts when costs go off track. This helps you stay on top of the financial side of your projects and avoid costly surprises down the line. With CoConstruct, you're always in control of your project's finances. Next, let's talk about the mobile app. CoConstruct isn't just for desktop use, its mobile app is a game changer for construction teams working on site. You can update progress, capture photos, track expenses, and even communicate with your team, all from your smartphone or tablet. This allows your crew to stay connected and productive no matter where they are, which is especially helpful when you're managing multiple job sites. Finally, CoConstruct helps you stay organized with its project management tools. With features like to-do lists, document storage, and task management, you can keep your team on track and ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're coordinating subcontractors, handling permits, or managing supplies, CoConstruct keeps everything organized and accessible. This means fewer missed deadlines and a smoother workflow for everyone involved. So, there you have it, the top 5 benefits of using CoConstruct for construction projects. From simplifying communication and budget management to offering mobile access and seamless organization, this software truly transforms the way construction teams operate. And remember, you can try CoConstruct for free right now by clicking the first link in the description below. We've also secured some exclusive bonuses just for you, so don't miss out. Plus, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that we've got an extended free trial waiting for you. Make sure to take advantage of it.